Good morning, guys. Welcome back to the Wall Street Bull. Anthony here. I hope you're all doing well. Let's get into my dividends that are coming up in the next couple of days, well, basically this week. Love to share that with you, so stick around. Hey guys, welcome back to the Wall Street Bull. Anthony here. I hope you're doing well. Just wanted to say a huge shout out to the individual that used my stake referral code below and used the link to sign up. I ended up getting a stock in in GoPro, so thank you very much. I really appreciate that. I think I'll be sitting on about seven shares of GoPro now, so I've had a few people sign up, so thank you very much, guys. Make sure you use the code in the description below, guys, because that'll be really cool. You can get a stock in Dropbox, Nike, or GoPro, so those are pretty cool companies to have a share in. Mainly, I'd love to have one in Nike and Dropbox, but GoPro will do just fine. So thank you very much, guys. I really appreciate that. Now, let's move on to my portfolio, guys, and how we ended up last night on the last session. So on the day, I'm up $1.63%, which is $275.19. That is amazing. That is amazing, guys. And in total, I'm up 33.75%. which is $4,334.49 USD. That is incredible. That's due to the fact that I invested all throughout the downturn last year in 2020 and have had those gains come into my portfolio, which is incredible. Right, so my portfolio finished up on the day $17,177.14. That is incredible, guys. That is well over $20,000 now in Australian dollars, which is awesome. So what I'm wanting to get into today, guys, is the upcoming dividends in my portfolio for this month in January. I'm going to have a few videos going over the next couple of weeks, obviously, but going to have those dividends coming in. They're not big, but rest assured, when those dividends compound, they're going to grow as well as the positions in the company. It's just a snowball effect, which is an awesome thing, guys. So the first one I'm going to receive in the next couple of days, and actually before I get into that, I just want to go into, now if I can access my portfolio here, I just want to show you guys that I did receive some dividends last night, actually, which I will. So I received a dividend from Ultra Group, and my camera's in my way here. So I got a dividend from Ultra Group with ticker symbol MO of $1.32, guys, and Philip Morris, ticker symbol PM, $3.55. So that was a pretty decent dividend, guys. So those are the ones that I got. Oh, sorry, and I got one from EMN, ticker symbol EMN, dividend of, where are you? 9 cents. There you go. Sorry, guys, I've got my camera steady, so it's pretty tricky for me to see my screen and film this at the same time. I should do it in a way around. Anyway, so moving on. The next dividend that I'm due to receive is from Ben, ticker symbol BEN. This is Franklin Resources, guys. So these guys are a holding company. The company's along with its subsidiaries operates as Franklin Templeton Investments. So it is a global investment management company. So I'm assuming this is a finance company. So Ben, I'm due to receive a dividend of 18 cents, guys. So that's pretty cool. Let's move on to the next one I'm going to receive. This is ticker symbol ERF, Enna Plus Corporation. So I'm due to receive a dividend of 5 cents from these guys, which is virtually nothing, but they are an energy producer, and they have a dividend yield of 2.63%, guys. Not very big dividend, but obviously everything helps when it goes to these dividend portfolios. All right, so let's move on to the next. This one I've got a few shares in, and it's ticker symbol MAIN. This is Main Street Capital, guys. These are a finance company. They have a dividend yield of 7.81%. They are a monthly dividend payer, which is really cool, guys. This is really good in terms of helping build that portfolio. And I'm due to receive a dividend of $1.58 from Main Street Capital. So guys, check that out if you're interested in a fairly safe dividend company, a monthly payer. Main Street Capital is one to check out. Do your research, obviously. The next one is everyone's favorite monthly payer, and that's ticker symbol O. This is Realty Income. I'm due to receive $5.12, guys. That's pretty cool. Their dividend yield is sitting at 4.74% at the moment, which is great. It's in that awesome range, about 3 to 5. Anything over 5 is starting to get risky, guys. So 4.74 is pretty good at this point in time. So yeah, guys, due to receive $5.12. I believe that's tomorrow, 2 days thereabouts. Let's move on to the next one, guys. Pembina Pipeline, ticker symbol PBA. This is an awesome monthly dividend payer as well. I'm due to receive $1.10. Now, the dividend yield is sitting at 7.52%, guys. So it is quite high, but again, a monthly dividend payer. And I love those because obviously it helps me build my portfolio a lot quicker having those monthly dividends. And yes, high dividend yields are very risky, but high risk, no reward. It allows me to get that dividend income in a lot quicker than rather than investing into something like with a 1% dividend yield, which is going to take a lot longer for me to build, especially at my age, being 30 to 32 years old. I need to get those sort of higher end dividend yields in order to grow this portfolio a lot quicker, and then obviously make moves from there on. But let's move on to the next one, guys. This one is ticker symbol PEB. Now, with this one, I'm not sure why I'm getting some sort of a dividend, but it's so low, it's probably going to be like less than a cent. Believe it or not, guys, they have a dividend yield of 0.22%. This is ticker symbol PEB. This is Pebblebrook Hotel Trust. This is like a REIT for hotels, if you want to call it that. I'm not sure if this one actually stopped paying a dividend last year, but I have to look into that, guys. There was that company that I remember stopped paying their dividend throughout last year, 2020. Nevertheless, I do have a small holding in this company, PEB. And probably that's the reason why my dividend is so small. Let's move on to the next one, guys. This is the second last one. This is ticker symbol STAG. This is Stag, guys. This is an awesome monthly dividend paying company, guys. This is really cool because it is an industrial REIT. And as I mentioned a couple months ago, there's a lot of online businesses now that need factories and warehousing and stuff like this. So Stag is basically an industrial REIT, which is a real estate investment trust. They are a monthly payer. Their dividend yield is sitting at 4.78%, which is really good. It is high, but it is good if you're looking for that dividend. I'm due to receive $1.57. This is in USD, by the way, and this is paid monthly, guys. So the more you invest in these companies, these monthlies like Realty and Stag, and something like SPHD, these are going to pay you monthly, guys, which is really cool. Let's move on to the last one I'm due to receive. WPC. This is WP Carey. This is a real estate investment. This is a REIT as well. So I am invested in a couple of REITs, guys. Their dividend yield is on the high side of 6.30%. That is quite high. And I'm due to receive a dividend of 30 cents from these guys. I'm just going to have a sip of coffee. Awesome. Yeah, so guys, these guys are a REIT, WP Carey. Check out them as well. They are a quarterly dividend payer. Overall, guys, so I've basically just shown you the companies that I'm going to be receiving dividends in the next couple of days, which is cool. I'll go over those again for you. That is ticker symbol BEN. This is Franklin Resources with a dividend yield of 4.35%. The next one is ERF, ticker symbol ERF. That is with a dividend yield of 2.63%. The next one is Main Street Capital, ticker symbol MAIN, with a dividend yield of 7.81%. The next one is ticker symbol Realty, Realty Income, and this is a dividend yield of 4.74%. The next dividend is PBA. This is Pembina Pipeline. This is a monthly payer with a dividend yield of 7.52%. The next one is PEB. This is Pebblebrook Hotel Trust. This is a quarterly payer, and the dividend yield is sitting at 0.22%, which is very low. The next one is Stag, ticker symbol STAG. This is the industrial REIT. Their dividend yield is 4.78%. And the next one is WPC. This is WP Carey, and their dividend yield is 6.30%. All right, guys, so they're the dividends that I'm getting paid this week, and I'll put up a screen recording next so you guys can see my my annual dividends that I've got, which have increased. And I have a dividend challenge for myself, and that is to get $3,000 AUD by the end of this year, and I think that's achievable, guys. It's taking a lot of commitment, but I believe I'm about 25 to 26% there. I'll put up the app so you guys can see that, and keep an eye on that there, and you'll be able to see my monthly dividends that I'm getting in on an average, the average dividend yield, and what else have we got here? My daily dividends, which is pretty cool as well, and some cool other charts. So make sure you stick around for that, and if you're not subscribed to the channel, subscribe. Because I'd love to hear what your favorite dividend stocks are. Leave them in the comments below, guys, and like this video and subscribe to the channel because I love to build a community, and most importantly, build wealth with you guys, because the most important thing, guys, is to build wealth for your future so you don't have to ever be without And I hope you guys tell your younger nieces, nephews, brothers, sisters, whatever family members, friends, whatever they are, to start investing now so they can have the benefit of time with that compounding interest. So they can, basically build a portfolio for themselves. If they're 10 to 12 years old, start educating them now, like I'm doing with my younger siblings and families and friends, and so they can have 20 or 30 or 40 or 50 years even in the market, which would be unreal. Be very lucky to have that time frame, guys. So all right, stay safe, take care. I'll put up my Dividend app now so you guys can see that, and we'll go from there. Stay safe. Peace. Bye. Welcome back to my dividend tracker. Just following the video here, so you guys can see that my annual dividend income is sitting at $758.75 Australian. That is awesome, guys. It's taken a while to get to that point. I'm sitting on an average of $63.23 a month and $2.08 a day, and my average yield is 4.54%, which is pretty good. Now you can see the companies that I'm due to receive in 2 days some dividends. So Ben, ticker symbol BEN, of 18 cents, ERF of 5 cents, Main Street Capital $1.58, Realty at $5.12, and PBA $1.10, PEB 0.00 cents. That's going to be like a cent or something like that. Stag is $1.57, and WPC is 30 cents. That is cool. My top 3 dividend payers are XOM Mobil at $207.53, SPHD at $114.12, and PSEC at $97.74. These are my top 3 payers. And my annual dividend, guys, is 25% of my goal is reached, which is $3,000 a year. Now, I will get to that point eventually. Just got to keep working hard at it. So that's awesome. And you can see the portfolio here now is sitting at $22,000, which is awesome. There's a composition breakup right there. And these are the companies down here. Now, if you scroll all the way back down to the bottom in this app, I wonder if it's still there. There you go. So you can see the dividends there, $796 after 1 year. And the growth there is so good, guys. It just keeps growing and growing and growing if I reinvest the dividends. Now, if I go to somewhere like 20 years, if I didn't do anything else, just to reinvested the dividends, I'd be sitting 20 years of a portfolio size of about $79,000 and an annual dividend of $5,938.42 per year. That is unreal, guys. Anyway, so that's the portfolio there. You can see the monthly income breakdown right there. So now we're into January, and due to receive my biggest months in March, June, and September and December are my biggest months there. So the ones in between I really need to work on, guys. So awesome app, guys, to keep track of your dividends. Make sure this is something that you guys use to keep track and see where you're up to. Really cool app to use, guys. I wish I was an affiliate, but they don't do an affiliate program just yet. But anyway, all good nevertheless. I hope you're enjoying the videos. Make sure you like the video and subscribe to the channel. And hope you guys are investing in some dividend stocks yourselves. So stay safe, take care, like the video, and subscribe to the channel. I'll be putting up some more videos in the next couple of days. Cheers, bye.